Welcome to the Keyboard Depth Function Room, the place to find a quick guide on how to play keys to popular songs. Today, Tears of a Clown by Smokey Robinson and the Miracles. The song first appeared on the group's 1967 album entitled Make It Happen. The song was released as a single first in the UK in 1970, becoming a hit, and then was subsequently released as a single in the United States, becoming a hit there also. The song was written by Stevie Wonder, producer and saxophonist Henry Cosby, and Smokey Robinson. The song is classed as soul, pop, or simply Motown. The instrumentation was performed by the Funk Brothers, and so it would have been Earl Van Dyke and or Johnny Griffin playing keyboards. From what I can hear, there is acoustic piano, a harpsichord, and glockenspiel. I recommend just sticking to the piano. The song is in the key of D flat. As usual, there'll be a song arrangement and basic chord sheet in the description box below. Here's how I might play it.